Hello everyone, it's the Nomad Brad, and in this video, I'm going to show you in Clickfunnels how to remove the Clickfunnels branding. So you've probably noticed that when you create new pages in Clickfunnels, by default, it comes with this little badge in the corner that is pretty small, but definitely still noticeable, and it stays wherever you scroll on the page that says Made with Clickfunnels. And so I'm going to show you how to get rid of that if you want. But first, I would just want to let you know that the way that it works by default is if somebody does click on this link and they end up going and trying out ClickFunnels and signing up, it does by default use your affiliate ID. So you may not know this, but just by signing up for ClickFunnels, you automatically become a part of their affiliate referral program. And if somebody clicks on the link and goes and signs up for ClickFunnels from your page, you will get a referral credit. So you could end up making affiliate commissions on whatever that person purchases from ClickFunnels in the future. Just in case that changes your decision, I just wanted to offer that. But let's say you're running your business, you know that for a fact you don't want some other company's branding on your page, and that totally makes sense. So let's show you how to get rid of it. It's very simple. And it just has to become part of your process for finalizing pages when you're using ClickFunnels to build them. ClickFunnels makes everything super easy, and this is just one of the quirks of the platform. The choice they've made is to probably very good for their business is to put that little badge on by default on every page that's created through ClickFunnels. But if you want to fully control your customer experience and your branding, then you obviously don't want some other company's logo on there. So if you go to settings and go to general for any page in ClickFunnels, there's a setting that says affiliate badge, and all you have to do is change this to hide. And then you click save, and then wait for that green thing to disappear and be saved, and then click preview. Click preview just to make sure. And the newest version of this page, it's fully loaded now, and there is no badge. So if you save this page as a template, which if you don't know how to do that, you can check out another video on my channel. But if you save this page as a template, it will have the hide option selected by default. But generally, if you create a new page in ClickFunnels, it's going to assume that you want to show that badge. So just add this as part of your checklist for completing pages, or if you have other people building pages in your organization, just add that to always, add it as a checklist item to always uncheck and hide the affiliate badge. So that's how you do that. By the way, if you have any questions regarding ClickFunnels in general or about this, then feel free to ask them in the comments below this video. And if you haven't signed up for ClickFunnels yet, I do have some bonuses for people who sign up through my referral link. So you can check them out in the links below this video, or go to salesfunnelnomad.com/bonus. And even if you do have ClickFunnels, I've got some offers and some resources there. Some are free and some are affiliate offers for other products that I think would benefit you as a ClickFunnels user. So feel free to check those out, salesfunnelnomad.com/bonus, or the links below the video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in another one.